organization of chambered stomach in ruminants, like the mammals that belong to order Artiodactyla and Perissodactyla are called ruminants, In all ruminants, stomach is 4 chambered. The 4 chambers of the stomach are rumen, number 2 reticulum, number 3 omasum, number 4 abomasum. So these are the 4 chambers of the stomach. Among these, rumen is called paunch, commonly called paunch. Reticulum is commonly called honeycomb. Omasum is called zalterium. Abomasum is called rennet. So these are the common names. Rumen is commonly called paunch. Reticulum is commonly called honeycomb. Omasum is commonly called zalterium. Abomasum is commonly called rennet. Now, dear students, remember among these 4 here now, the first 3 are modified esophagus. Modified esophagus, which is most important question for MSET, COMEDK and other exams now. Abomasum is the true stomach. Abomasum is the true stomach. Now, in this rumen and reticulum, both of them help in digestion of cellulose. Both of them help in digestion of cellulose by harboring certain symbiotic bacteria like ruminococcus, so on and so forth here now. Now first the food enters into rumen here now. It undergoes partial cellulose digestion. From rumen it re-enters the buccal cavity where it is chewed thoroughly, masticated thoroughly, and once again it is swallowed here now. When it is re-swallowed, it enters into reticulum where final digestion of the cellulose takes place. From reticulum it enters into omasum. In omasum it undergoes here now a kind of alkaline digestion in the presence of various bile salts and sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate here now. Then after the alkaline digestion here now, from omasum it enters into abomasum for protein digestion. Like that in all ruminants here now, chambered stomach is present. That's why we call them ruminants, because they recollect the food once again into the buccal cavity and masticate the food thoroughly and swallow it back. That's why we call them ruminants.